Get ready to discover 15 of the coolest tools that blend innovation, style, and serious functionality. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a tech lover, or someone who just enjoys smart gear, these tools are designed to impress. From multifunctional gadgets to game-changing equipment, each one offers clever solutions to everyday tasks. If you love tools that are as fun as they are practical, this list is definitely for you. M-Cube 02. The M-Cube 02 is a cutting-edge anti-gravity laser level priced at $207.20, offering vacuum absorption for effortless wall and ceiling mounting. No tripods or nails required. Featuring dual color lasers, it delivers high precision, plus or minus 1/16 inch red, plus or minus 1/8 inch green, and adapts to various surfaces including concrete, drywall, and wood. With smart features like an auto repump system, digital angle sensor, app connectivity, and low vibration mode, the M-Cube 02 ensures professional-grade accuracy and stability. Its modular design and optional gripmate accessory add even more versatility to this high-tech tool. MECHTRON. MECHTRON is a futuristic tool brand known for its cyberpunk-inspired electric screwdrivers and drill drivers. Designed with bold aesthetics and mecha influences, these tools combine style with serious performance. Key features include 2000 mAh rechargeable batteries, USB-C charging, magnetic bits, digital status displays, and ergonomic T-shaped handles. Some models offer hammer drilling, high torque, up to 13 Newton meters, quick change adapters, and detachable battery packs for added flair. MECHTRON tools are ideal for both light and heavy-duty tasks, making them perfect for users who want cutting-edge tech and standout design in one powerful package. RYOBI Creeper / Seat Topper Form. The RYOBI 18-volt 1 Plus dual function lighted creeper seat, $159, is a 2-in-1 garage essential, switching easily between creeper and seat with a locking lever. It features dual LED lights with up to 800 lumens, adjustable gooseneck arms, and flood spot modes for ideal lighting. Comfort is boosted with a 5-position headrest, chemical-resistant cushions, and smooth 3-inch caster wheels. Integrated storage compartments and RYOBI Link compatibility keep tools organized. Supporting up to 400 pounds, it runs on the 18-volt 1 Plus battery system, making it a powerful and practical tool for mechanics and DIYers alike. Meite Hog Ring Gun. The Meite Hog Ring Gun, USD $219, is a pneumatic fastening tool designed for securing fabric, mesh, or wire with precision and strength. Ideal for upholstery, fencing, and cage construction, it uses compressed air to deliver consistent performance. Compatible with 16-gauge, 1/2-inch crown hog rings, it features an ergonomic grip, durable build, and upgraded trigger for smoother operation. With a 100 ring capacity and operating pressure of 70 to 100 psi, it offers efficiency and control for demanding tasks. Perfect for professionals needing fast, reliable fastening across a range of industrial and DIY applications. MXF 270. The MXF 270, $12,999.98, is a powerful gas-free machine engineered for high performance and control. With 25 minutes of runtime and over 1/4 mile travel per charge, it hits harder and travels faster than traditional gas models. A centralized handlebar-mounted interface offers intuitive start, stop, and speed controls. safety is enhanced with built-in stability and tip detection features. Designed for efficiency in any environment, it's also One Key compatible, allowing users to track and manage the unit remotely. Experience unmatched productivity without the hassle of fuel, noise, or emissions. The Revopoint Trackit is a high-precision, marker-free 3D scanning system designed for industrial use. Using intelligent optical tracking, it eliminates the need for physical markers while offering dual scanning modes. A 30-line blue laser for large surfaces and a single-line mode for fine details. Auto-calibration via a dual-axis gimbal ensures fast setup and consistent accuracy, up to 0.02 mm. With a 4-meter range and durable carbon fiber frame, it's built for robust performance. Trackit also integrates with cobots, supports multiple file formats, and includes software for scanning, editing, and workflow automation. Meite 7116 BL Stapler. The Meite 7116 BL Stapler, $80 is a pneumatic tool designed for precision and durability. Its slim, long nose allows easy access to tight or hard-to-reach areas, making it ideal for detailed work. Built for longevity, it features a durable driver set and bumper for extended use. Compatible with 22-gauge 71 series staples, 3/8 inch crown, 1/4 inch to 5/8 inch length. It requires a compressor to operate. Perfect for applications in furniture assembly, cabinetry, car seats and picture frames, this stapler is a reliable choice for professionals and DIYers alike. Staples sold separately. XLASERLAB X1/X1 Pro. Bottom of form. The XLASERLAB X1 and X1 Pro $3,299 are all-in-one laser machines for welding, cutting and cleaning. The X1 Pro delivers higher power, 700-watt fiber laser, compared to the X1 460-watt semiconductor laser, enabling faster operation and thicker welds, up to 3 mm versus 2 mm. Both models support pulsed and continuous wave output, feature air-cooled systems, and are portable for indoor or outdoor use. They support multiple gases, operate in extreme temperatures, and even allow underwater welding. With modular design and global voltage compatibility, these machines offer advanced performance for industrial and professional applications. Einhell Pump. The Einhell Pump, $211.63, is a reliable solution for clean and dirty water applications, offering high flow rates and durable construction. Ideal for draining pools, flooded basements, wells, or rain barrels, it features models like submersible and surface pumps. Key highlights include adjustable float switches, stainless steel housing, dry run protection, and high-quality mechanical seals. Some models support Einhell's Power Exchange platform for cordless operation. With features like thermal overload protection and automatic start or stop, Einhell pumps ensure efficient and safe water transfer in a variety of domestic and industrial environments. Mechasys. Mechasys offers an advanced laser projection system that revolutionizes construction layout by projecting CAD drawings directly onto surfaces with high precision. It features smart scan technology for obstacle detection, multiple positioning methods, and real-time KD adjustments. The Class 3R laser ensures safe operation, while IoT connectivity enables real-time data sharing and project tracking. Layer-based projection allows for clear, segmented communication of construction plans. Its user-friendly interface and surface mapping capabilities reduce errors and boost productivity. Mechasys simplifies complex layouts and minimizes ECOS, streamlining workflows across various construction environments for faster, more accurate results. WORX Axis WX550. The WORX Axis WX550, $85.49, is a versatile 2-in-1 power tool that easily switches between jigsaw and reciprocating saw modes. Designed for convenience and performance, it delivers up to 3,000 strokes per minute, SPM, for fast, efficient cutting. Its orbital action boosts cutting speed on tougher materials, making it ideal for various DIY tasks. This is a tool-only model, compatible with all WORX 20-volt PowerShare batteries, sold separately, offering flexibility across the WORX lineup. Compact, lightweight and powerful, the WX550 is perfect for users seeking versatility and performance in one tool. NeoBlade. The NeoBlade is a premium wireless ultrasonic cutter built for precision and versatility. Operating at 40,000 Hz, it delivers ultra-smooth, frictionless cuts through materials like PLA, ABS, leather, wood, acrylics, and carbon fiber. With adaptive power output 9 to 40 watts, it intelligently adjusts performance based on resistance. Features include a swappable 1300 mAh battery, USB-C PD and turbo dock fast charging, active cooling, instant off safety trigger and child lock. Compatible with standard 9mm snap-off blades, it offers both precision and continuous cutting modes, ideal for professional makers and industrial-grade tasks demanding unmatched control and efficiency. TowerSpin. The TowerSpin is a dual-action spin mop system designed for efficient and effortless cleaning. It features a bucket with an internal mechanism that washes and spins the mop head dry, reducing mess and manual effort. The mop head is angled up to 90 degrees, perfect for cleaning floors and skirting boards simultaneously. Its telescopic handle adjusts for comfortable use and easy storage. Microfiber pads offer high absorbency and are safe for all floor types. Many models include spare mop heads and come with a 1-year guarantee, ensuring convenience, durability, and long-lasting performance. GROZ Tire Hammer. The GROZ Tire Hammer, $74.32, is built for tough tire service tasks, featuring an indestructible handle made from spring steel bars encased in a vibration-absorbing rubber grip. This handle design prevents the head from loosening or dislodging, ensuring long-lasting performance. The forged, induction-hardened steel head includes a bead-breaking wedge, a top hook for wheel tipping, and a sledge edge for dragging tyres. Ideal for separating tyres from rims, this hammer is durable, ergonomic, and reliable. A special bonding process further secures the head-to-handle connection, making it a rugged choice for tyre professionals. Leister Vacuum Plate. The Leister Vacuum Plate 100 LP, powered by an 18-volt Bosch AMP share battery, is a compact cordless leak detection tool, ideal for roofing and pool membrane inspection. Weighing just 2 kilograms, it's highly portable and easy to handle, even with one hand. Its flexible design conforms to varied surfaces, while low negative pressure ensures safe testing without damaging membranes. Leak detection is visual. Bubbles appear when soapy water is applied. With quiet operation, durable construction, and simple one-switch use, it's a practical, efficient tool that enhances safety and productivity on construction and waterproofing jobs.